Hey guys, it's Tamar here, and today I just saw a dog in my backyard. It might not come out on you, but it definitely came out on me. It might not like cameras, but I do not want to go in that backyard right now. And he said that I am seeing things, but when he sees that big dog, he's gonna be like, okay, never mind, you are not seeing things, Amari. My heart was beating when I saw that dog. Oh my goodness. So we're just no. You need one. Because that dog just ran away from look at the dog. Look at the dog in the back. You see the dog. Oh my goodness. It's in the back. He's trying to climb the fence. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to zoom in. Oh my goodness. Ooh, there's a dog in the backyard. It's trying to climb the oh, you see it! You see it, you see it. Oh my goodness, look at the dog. Come here. Oh my goodness, I'm a very big dog. There's a dog in our backyard. Oh my god. Yes, that's the next neighbor's dog. Yes, it is. Dang.
What did you get? Jump the fence?
He almost jumped the fence, and they barking at each other.
That's good. Let him keep barking. He'll be all right.
Those big dogs are barking at each other. See? Look, you guys. Look, you guys. It's a freaking big freaking dog.
Hey, leave him alone. Don't mess with him. Might come here and bite your leg sadly.
Oh, really? Is he peeing in our yard?
Hey, not so loud, boy. Stop being so loud.
Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I just came to show you that. Peace.